Prosecutors want the trial moved up for the former Fort Worth police officer who shot and killed Tatiana Jefferson. They took their arguments over Aaron Dean's case to a judge today. Dean attended the hearing virtually because of a medical issue. Fox 4's Dion Anglin live with the latest developments at the courthouse. Dion.
Hi there, Steve. Well, the hearing lasted less than an hour, and as you mentioned, the focus was squarely on the state trying to convince the judge to reevaluate the trial timetable.
Can you hear me, Mr. Dean?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
Aaron Dean, who's free on bond, joined the hearing virtually. His attorneys noted a medical reason kept him from attending in person. The state begins with the matter of Dean's murder trial date, requesting it be held sooner.
Relief that this case be set for pretrial hearings on March 7th, 2022.
Prosecutors want the trial to begin in the month of March rather than the tentatively set date in May.
The four-month continuance granted by this court exceeds that which was required by the defendant's motion for continuance.
They say an upcoming trial the defense attorneys have scheduled has had the death penalty option removed and should reduce its length. Also, the current May dates fall during National Law Enforcement Appreciation Week, calling that a conflict. The former Fort Worth officer is charged with murder. He fired through a backyard window, killing a Tatiana Jefferson. The 28-year-old was babysitting her nephew at her mother's home when Dean responded on a welfare check after a neighbor saw the front door open late at night.
Now, if you're concerned about National Police Officer Week during the 15th through the 21st, if you're concerned about any potential jurors handling that, there's a way we can do that, and I've considered sequestering the entire jury for the entire trial.
The judge granted an extension until May because defense experts were unavailable.
The two expert witnesses, Dr. Pierce and Mr. Fredericks, the only thing that's been put on the record is they were not available in January. There's been no assertions that they were not. That was the reason for the case to be moved.
I'm almost certain that was represented to the court, that y'all tried to get them in March. They just weren't available. They were booked up solid through April.
That was our original discussion with the judge back in December, as we started booking.
Has anything changed?
Not that we've been told.
I'll ask you to make an inquiry. My guess is it hasn't.
Now, in the end, Judge Hagerman said he would take the arguments under advisement. He did not give a time frame for issuing his ruling.